Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website link available in description. This is new website launching, and this website pay you much more cryptocurrency in your Faucetpay. Okay, available 8 cryptocurrency. And this website pay you instantly. The first way you can earn is a faucet. Okay, every website have a faucet. You can claim from that, and this faucet available is pay you 0.0005 USD every 5 minutes and 999 time claim per day. Okay, claim is very easy. Just solve this letter captcha first and both 050 this is it, and the next one is 200, and then this one. You can change your captcha, but right now available just one captcha, recaptcha is very good. And you can refresh the page. Okay, wait, and this is mountain. Okay, just click the mountain and just click verify and come down. This is click your reward. Just wait few seconds, this will be pay you in your balance. Okay, and right now you can see the counting down is start, and I can claim after 5 minutes. The next one is the short links. Okay, you can claim your free short links from here, but right now available is 29 short links. You can earn daily this much USD dollar just watching all the short links, 29 short links. Okay, the next one is the PTC ads. The PTC ads is one of the best way because this will be make less time but pay you much more. Okay, right now available 10 advertisement. Why this will be show you 20? Because sometimes this website not reload their own. Okay, about that don't worry, this website pay you 100% to your free cryptocurrency wallet orders. Okay, don't worry about that, and you can make your free cryptocurrency from here too. Next one is achievements. Okay, you can win achievements if you claim. Okay, this is all claim, short links claim, PTC ads claim. You can earn your achievements. The next one is a lottery ticket. A lottery ticket is another way you can participate in the prize after successes will be launched. Leaderboard is this will be contest about the referral people. Okay, the ICE payment referral people, the ICE level app, and their referral contest is this much. This person have a ICE referral contents, and this person win $3. Okay, and this all the referral contest winners, shortening winners, faucet claim winners, and that's it. You can win from here. The next one is the referral. You can share your referral link to other friends, and you can make your free cryptocurrency just sharing the referral link. Okay, this is your referral link. 10% of the commission you can earn every one of the people they work in here. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. After I reaching the minimum amount of withdraw, the minimum amount of withdraw is 0.01 USD dollar. Then I share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, but this website pay you 100%. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.